So, ladies and gentlemen, today we have Mr. Jignesh Shah, one of the members of ASIRT, over here with us. Hello, sir. How are you?
Very fine, thank you.
Thank you so much for being part of it. How long you have been a member at ASIRT?
So I've been a 3-year-old member of ASIRT playing cricket.
Okay, playing cricket. You want to focus on that. So, how playing cricket as ASIRT has helped you?
So playing cricket, I made a lot of friends around, and because of that, my business has grown exponentially. I'm so grateful for ASIRT to getting that platform of cricket to as an annual event, and where we bond together, and we really made very good friends around here. Thank you.
Okay, and how it has helped you in growing your business otherwise? Let's say, of course, you have made good friends here, but what do you think about collaboration? What do you think about knowledge sharing? What do you think about business strategies that you would have implemented from other members at ASIRT?
So my company is a 30 plus year old company, and ASIRT actually helped me to move out of my regular business of IT hardware and start a platform of cloud. So Sandeep and myself, we moved out of IT hardware completely about 10 years back, and most of our work fortunately now are being done by ASIRT members. So very grateful, and they've taken very good care of all our customers. So we are so grateful again that they have kept the entire association alive and giving the best of services to all our customers, and that actually helped us to focus more on our own business. And with that, again, this channel fraternity has helped us grow our business also exponentially over the last 3 years. Fantastic business returns have come from ASIRT specifically.
Great, that's nice. How are you helping other members at ASIRT?
So my IT hardware business, we still do keep on getting some of the other referrals, and customers, old customers calling back
Because you have been doing it
because
for a
we've
long
been
time.
doing it for a long time. So those customers we have started passing on to the other members around, and we are happy that they are taking good care of them. We are really happy about that.
Okay, and what about the bonding and family and the brotherhood that you see here?
All are the same. It actually helped us make a very structured product for everybody. We have a structured market. So all for us, everybody is the same, and we enjoy that. We are also one of them, and we enjoy being with them all throughout.
Okay, great. Keep playing cricket and do business out of it. Thank you so much for your time.